Wondering how to get that soft, moist, delicious, and a melt in your mouth treat? Well, do not go away because I'll be bringing to you step by step how to make this plain cake or bakery style pound cake. Keep watching. How's it going, everybody? It's your girl Claudie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this same texture of the plain cake. But before we get started, if you're new here, a very big welcome to you, and to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you're going to be the first to get that alert. These are the ingredients we are going to be using today. To start off, we have some sugar. Please check the description box because it has the detailed recipe. All-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, 3 large eggs at room temperature, butter, and some milk. So the first thing, we are going to be starting off by beating or creaming the butter and the sugar until it is light and fluffy. While you're creaming the butter and the sugar, please preheat the oven at this point 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how the butter and the sugar is supposed to look like after beating. Right now, add all the 3 eggs one at a time. Add the vanilla extract. Add some of the milk and some of the flour. You're going to be adding the milk and the flour in batches. And please do not add everything at once. I just added in some baking powder and salt. Always stir it like this just to avoid flour from spilling out or making a mess. Grease the baking pan. Right here I'm using some butter to grease my baking pan. I always heat my baking pan like this to get rid of all those air bubbles and making a line in the middle so to get a good crack when baking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes until it has a golden brown color. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you loved this recipe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.